Hello and welcome to another video session being FX trader. Our website is www.binexfxtrader.com. You can visit our website to learn more about our strategies on Forex and volatility index. We want you to like our videos on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can see more videos when we release them in future. Also, make comments below the video, ask your questions. If you are not clear with any part of the video, you can state your questions below the video. If you have more video, if you have ideas of what the video you want us to do, you can make your request under any of our videos. We'll try as much as possible to prepare that video for you to throw more light on how you can either trade Forex or volatility index, or set up indicators on your MetaTrader application so that you can trade Forex or volatility index. Don't forget to hit the notification button at the bottom of the video so that when we immediately release more videos, you'll be the first to see the video through your notification. Now today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade whether it's Forex or volatility index. And then on my screen I have volatility 75 index. The screen is divided into two windows. The upper window is a 1 hour time frame window, while the lower window is 5 minutes time frame window. I have volatility 75 index on the upper window, and I also have volatility 75 index on the lower window. Now the aim of this strategy is to make use of exponential moving averages. On the upper window I have 3 exponential moving averages, and then on the lower window I have 2 exponential moving averages. I want the EMA, which is the exponential moving average, on the upper window to align in one direction, whether it will align and point, whether all the EMAs on the upper window, whether they will align and point upwards or downwards. Upwards means they are pointing upward, means we're in an uptrend, price is going up. Or they are pointing downwards means we are in a downtrend, price is ticking downwards. So as soon as I have the trend, which is my upper window with the higher time frame and 1 hour for this particular scenario, then I'll now wait for the 5 minutes time frame EMAs to align in the same direction of the EMAs on the upper window. So I simply allow the alignment of the EMAs on the upper window. I want them to align upward. Like for this example, on my upper window they are aligning upwards. This is my upper window. Sorry, I have to take it to 1 hour time frame. This is my upper window, and this is my lower window. So my upper window I have 1 hour time frame, and my lower window I have 5 minutes time frame. So if price is ticking up on the upper window, I allow the same price to tick up on the lower window for me to have an alignment. And if price is ticking down, like for instance this particular period in time, price is ticking down, 22nd of August, I will allow my 5 minutes time frame. I have to scroll to 22nd of August so that we can understand what happened at that time. So I will allow my 5 minutes time frame to align in the direction of my upper, like you can see what happened here. So my EMAs are pointing downwards on the upper window, and on the lower window we can see what's happening, continues to tick down. So the idea is you allow the red EMA to cross down below the orange and blue EMAs for you to have your bearish or downward price movement or bearish trend. Now as soon as you have your bearish trend on the upper window, like we can see, you also allow the red moving average, the red EMA, to cross down below the blue on the lower window before you start to take your trade. So as soon as you have a cross down, in as much as price touches, I'm referring to the lower window now, in as much as price touches the blue and cross down below the red, you can always sell. Continue like we have here, price touches the blue and cross down below the red, you continue your sell. Also, price attempted to touch the blue, cross down below, continue your sell, you continue to go short. Continue to go short, continue to go short until you have a cross above, like you have here. You either cut you cut your profit, or you stop the trade and wait for another cross down before you either continue to sell. So for cross up at the same time on the upper window, like we can see, then you also wait for your lower window to also cross up, then you continue to buy. Like around here now, the current screen that we have now, we have an uptrend. So let me move it to, okay, like we have an uptrend. So until the red line crossed down below the blue line around here before you cut your trade. But if it does not cross down, you expect price to go up above the red line, and before you continue to buy in this situation. So let's look at the indicators for the upper window. The indicators are we have 21 period exponential moving average, blue color, and then we have a 13 exponential moving average, orange color, and finally we have 7 exponential moving average, red color. That's for the upper window. For the lower window, we have 21 exponential moving average, blue color, We have 7 exponential moving average, red color. So that's that for the strategy. You allow a trend to form on the upper window, which is red line crosses above the orange and blue line. Then you have your uptrend, or red line crosses below, like we have here, below the orange and blue line. You have your downtrend. Once your trend is established on the upper window, which is your 1 hour time frame, then you can scalp your profit by allowing the lower time frame, which is your 5 minutes, to align. As in for this situation we have uptrend, so you allow crossover for uptrend to form on your lower window. Then you start to buy. You buy when there is a big candle crossing up above both. Like you have a big candle here, you buy here, and your stop loss will be below the big candle, and your take profit will be when the red line crosses below, like we are about to have red line crossing below here. So you allow it to cross before you take your profit. So that's for short trades. For longer trades, you can change your upper window to 4 hour time frame, and then change your lower window to 15 minutes. Gives you longer trades. Or for even more longer trades, you can change your upper window to daily, and then change your lower window to 30 minutes. Okay, so that's that for even longer trades. But for short trades, change this to 1 hour and change it to 5 minutes, or you can, some people may change it to 15 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes, or 1 hour 5 minutes. 5 minutes for you to see what's happening much more closer or clearer. So that's that for the strategy. You can use this strategy to trade Forex. You can use it to trade gold. You can use it to trade boom and crash index. You can also use this strategy to trade step index, range break, and you can use it to trade Nasdaq 100. But the main thing is that asset you want to trade must be on MT5. If you can't have it on MT5, you may not be able to divide the window into 2. Because I'm not sure whether you can divide MT4 window on your mobile device into 2 for now. But for MT5, sure, you can divide it into 2. To divide your window into 2, you hit the tab here, this second to the right tab. Talking about this tab here. Once you use this tab, it brings out the window, and you can hit this plus button. This plus button here for new window brings out your new window. Like I have my 1 hour window, then I have my 5 minutes window. So I think the maximum number of windows is 2. And if I want to remove any of the window, I'll just highlight, I'll check the box, then hit this remove tab here. I'll have removed. I can easily remove the window if I don't want it, if I want to use just one window. So but this function, this button for you to divide your window into 2, I'm not sure it's on MT4 for now on your mobile device. So only do it on MT5 for now. So as long as the asset is on MT5, if it is Forex, if it is gold, if it is boom and crash, if it is range break, you can easily use this EMA alignment strategy to trade and scalp for short trades, or you can change the time frame to higher time frame like daily, and then 30 minutes for longer trades. So that don't forget that you ensure that you have for uptrend, you have a long, you wait for when a long candle crosses up, like you have here. Wait for when a long candle crosses up above the red on the lower time frame before you take your trade. And once you take your trade, for longer trade, your stop loss will be below the low of that long candle, and your take profit will be when this red line crosses below the blue line. For now, the red line crossed above the blue line on the 30 minutes time frame around here. So if you are entered your trade somewhere around here and your stop loss is below the low of this big green candle, then you wait to take profit when the red line crosses below the blue line. So that's that for this strategy. You can always backtest it to be sure that you are doing the right, to be sure that it worked in time past. And then you can practice on demo account first before putting real money into it. So we want you to like our video, subscribe to our channel so that you see all of our videos, and then more videos when we release them. Then we want you to make comments, give us feedback, then hit the notification button at the bottom of the video so that you see more videos when we release them. You'll be the first to see more of our videos when we release them. So till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.